to choke the fuck out of me and leave me gasping for air.
Why do you look so annoyed at life?
I woke up really early today.
Okay. Lose the attitude or I'm gonna be real.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
What were you gonna say? Hypothetically, to your guy.
If he was going to take his hands around my neck, I would tell him to choke the fuck out of me and leave me gasping for air.
Hypothetically, you look like you give good.
Why is that hypothetically? Is it because of my lips?
It might be. I don't know.
Every time.
What do you mean every?
It's my lips. Okay, if I go like this, do I still look like I give good?
You got good eye contact. That's probably why.
Le va a pegar el capitán, se adelanta Ronaldo.